Assalamu alaikum, my dear friend. How are you going? Fine. I hope that you will be all okay and hit from health by the grace of God. Dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Home TV, and you are looking the best beautiful collections of leather mini dresses, mini skirts, or leather party wear dresses. My all collection is very new, different variety. My channel YouTube is Home TV. Dear friends, my channel is subscribes. Please like my channel and share my videos. Dear friend, my videos to be end. Goodbye till the next uploading. Attractive and exclusive videos. Attractive videos. Latex, leather wear dresses, outfits. Cat suit collection with you. There are only fashionables, but also in credibility. Thanks for watching. Allah.